my name's John Eccles, and I'm the drummer for the BACSTAGE band. I've been playing drums ever since my legs were long enough for my feet to hit the pedals. I was probably only as tall as the bass drum itself at the time that I started playing. But over the years, I've been able to try out all different sorts of gear. And when it comes to my sticks, I play Collision 5BR drumsticks. The 5BR is perfect for my playing style, as it gives me a little additional power that I wouldn't normally find in a standard 5A drumstick. Also, the additional reach helps me to never miss a beat. So what originally intrigued me about Collision was all of the customizable options that they had available regarding thickness, length, tip type. They can really get down to the nitty gritty for you on what it is that you are looking for in a drumstick. So if you're a drummer and you're looking to try out something new, I would encourage you to speak to the team over at Collision. They're made up of drummers themselves, so they know what they're talking about and they can steer you in the right direction, learn about your playing style and the type of music that you're doing, and really get you a drumstick that's going to feel good for what it is that you want to accomplish. So definitely speak with their team, and you can check out all of BACSTAGE Band's original music on any streaming platform, as well as find all of our upcoming live show dates at abbykayband.com. Keep rocking, and hope to see you at a show soon.
He's got you sliding down and digging deeper. I tried to tell you, but the message isn't clear. When that downward's far away, it throws you for a loop. You think you're getting out of it, but you're just confused.